Oh, hey guys, I'm playing Black Ops 3 by myself. So I don't really know what gun I have, but fucking Gaywad knocking me off. So hope I get a few kills right here. So, oh, dang it, I ran into a rock. Oh, thought a guy was following him. Hey, bird, you wanna die? Duh, that's what I thought. Oh, well, that's just bullcrap. He was shooting at me. So, dude, annoy the boom. The freak. How you do that? Oh, well, that's bullcrap. I'll use this. So, just gonna shoot some people.
Come on, Alex, get your shoes on. We gotta go.
I will in a second.
No, we're going right now.
Okay.
Get your shoes on.
Okay, I am.
Come on, Nick.
Dang it, I missed it.